high-tech. Waiting. Pang 486 kaming customer today. Sana lang. Halos 1 hour yung pila. Kaya ko pa pumila ng 2 oras nakatayo pero gutom na ako. Kanina palabas-pasok yung mga pagkain. Solid yung itsura. By the way, Sawadee Cup. We're in Thailand. Cold. Straight bread. Here. Pa. It's 11 o'clock Thailand time. So 12 na sa atin, sa Pinas. Pa. Yan yung ordering ko. Mamaya papaliwanag ko sa yan. Like I said kanina sa labas, Sawadee ka. I am in Thailand. When it comes to Michelin stars, in Asia, Japan holds the most. Pero pag sinabi mong Michelin stars na street food, Bangkok in particular, Thailand, Bangkok is the #1. And talking about Michelin stars, kung nasaan tayo ngayon, yung J.O. Chula has Michelin stars since 2018. So 8 years in a row siya may Michelin star, which is rated for flavor, personality of the chef, consistency, lahat. Plating, taste. So we're excited. Unang gabi pa lang dito, agad-agad Michelin star pa, 8 Michelin stars pa. This started around 1967. Nagbibenta lang daw siya ng duck tsaka kanin sa labas. Tapos nung pinasok niya yung tom yum soup, which is what everyone's ordering, at in-order din natin, yun, nag-viral na siya. And ever since then, they open hapon hanggang madaling araw. Tulad nung kanina, haba ng pila. Mamaya, papaliwanag ko yung order natin. I'm so excited. Let's see if it's worth the wait. Thank you. Okay, sakto. Yung una natin in-order is their specialty. This is the tom yum soup. Founded in central Thailand. Tom means boiling, yum means mixed. So basically, it's a boiling soup. Some say it's more of a remedy, no, kesa sa food. It was a rural pagkain, kumbaga sa probinsya kung saan may pagkain tapos may konting damot part. So dun siya nag-umpisa. Hot, sour flavor and yan, river prawns, may lot of seafood to, may shrimp, a lot of green onions, coriander, lime, and then the eggs break. Mix. Ito yung dahilan kung ba't sila nag-viral. Tom yum soup. Okay? Sakto, subukan natin ito. Seafood tom yum. Like how I requested it, kind of spicy, hot, sour, and kind of spicy. Really good. Really, really good. Gising ka agad-agad. You could choose the level you want. Technically, tom yum is hot and sour, but this is Thailand, so they put a lot of chilies. Really, really good. Pork ball. Sarap. Yung meatball niya, sakto yung alat kasi the soup is so earthy, so sour. Hindi na may kick ng alat ng meatball. Sarap. Shrimp. Gulay. And then of course the instant noodles. I love the kick of the lime. Sarap. Okay. From the tom yum, all the ulams came. A lot of ulams. I tried them all. May kamaron, may chicken wings. Kung doon sikat sa kanila is the lechong kawali. Ubus na, sold out. Ang daming sold out. Pork chop. This one. Personal favorite. Scallops. Good. Almost order complete. I know I've ordered a lot more gulays pa, pero ang star of the show, kaya sila nag-viral was the tom yum and then this. Special to off menu. You have to request it kasi minsan yung crabs wala eh. So, at least ito, Chamba, meron tayong crab. So, crab omelette. Thailand is known for crab omelette. I wanna see. Thick cut of crab. That's a lot of crab. I wanna try it already, but it's still hot. Yun yung stress minsan sa Havich. Gusto mo nang kainin pero ang init eh. Tingnan natin konti. Dito muna ako sa pork neck. Which is technically pork chop. And then, style Pinas. Cup noodles and candy. Up. Okay. Start of the show, also the crab omelette. That tastes good even though it was super hot. Egg is super fluffy. See? And then the crab punong-puno. Sarap, sarap. Oh, pwede. All bagong luto. Ha? You know what? Subukan nyo when you go to Thailand, itong J. Chula. J.O. Chula. Huwag nyo na tanongin sa akin yung address kasi hindi ko makapasa yung mga kasada dito. At mas lalo ko nang hindi masasabi. Iba yung toro ng pananalita dito. But you can find J. Chula in Waze, in Google Maps. Sikat na sikat siya. Don't take my word for it. It's a Michelin star restaurant since 2018. Walang tigil yan hanggang ngayon. So, tom yum, authentic, sarap, spicy. Crab omelette, pack. Like the restaurant, pack. When you're here, try this place out. And okay dito sa Thailand kasi street food, so talagang maglalakad ka. So at least pagkatapos kumain ng ganito, ma-workout mo siya. First of the Michelin Star series na gagawin natin dito sa Thailand. This is Javi Bagatsing. Magtitip pa rin ako dito. Javi Eating. Kaya na. What to get, what to get.
What?